got another knocker. Place your bets. The doctor in there, investigating.
So now you see, if you're wearing this, you put it on the timing cover, it's loud as hell. You put it on the block where a rod knock would be loud, it's silent. So something in the timing cover has failed. What could it be?
Not the 2.5 that has 450,000 kilometers on it?
This is a mint engine.
Whoa. Alright, well yeah, let's dig into her and see what we find. She's a knocky girl. Big KMs. Oh, we found her. We got another bad tensioner. Look at that.
All the fluid's leaking out of it.
Yeah, it's the lifeblood. The lifeblood has let free.
What brand is this? NTN,
Oh, NTN.
Japan.
Yeah, so it's probably OEM. Yeah, but who knows the mileage on it. Interesting. So we're going to check the rest of the pulleys while we're in there. The belt looks great itself. And yeah, go from there. Throw another tensioner in. Send her.
Yeah.
Whoa. No more knock. Wow. That's amazing. Just amazing.